want to introduce myself. My name is Maharani Alia Azahra. I'm from MTLTC. On this occasion, I will share my experience with my family and carry out the 8 prayers. We do not feel the month of Ramadan has been patiently endured hunger, thirst, and lust. Now we have entered the month of Eid al-Fitr, the month of victory for Muslims because they have managed to face the temptations of temptation while undergoing fasting. The month of Eid is a month full of love and peace, because here's the moment where everyone forgives each other, forgets and forgives past mistakes, both intentionally and unintentionally, getting rid of envy. In 2020, my family and I performed the 8th prayer at the Al-Muhajirin Mosque, which is not too far from our house, about 200 meters only. After listening to the result of the Isbat trial set by the government, in the evening, my mother invited me to perform the Isha prayer in congregation at the mosque, and then take a part in takbiran activities. After about half an hour of takbir at the mosque, I went home and rested. But before that, at around 20:30, we had time to leave the house to watch the takbiran parade on the edge of the highway. The takbiran parade this year was really exciting. Because the pandemic is gone, many Muslims decorate their car with takbiran knickknacks, carry drums, and even motorbike riders fill the streets. What a happy day of victory! The next day, around 4:30 o'clock, it was woken up by my mother. In a sleepy state, I immediately washed my face, performed ablution, and immediately went to the mosque to perform the Fajr prayer. The atmosphere on the morning of the 1st of Shawwal was very cold, but there were quite a number of villagers who came to the mosque, so we were all excited. After the prayer, my mother and I went straight home. We took turns to shower, brush our teeth, have breakfast, then at 6:45 together, we went to the Al-Muhajirin Mosque. My mother and sister went to the mosque on foot while chanting takbir, tahmid, tasbih, and tahlil sentence. 8 prayer activities this year seem to be busier than last year, so that the mosque's rows are full. 8 prayer starts at 7:30 after Bilal delivered prayers and an invitation to pray in congregation. The activity continued with the delivery of the Eid al-Fitr sermon. At the time, the preacher advised the congregation to always learn to forgive others. stay away from envy, hostility, and prejudice. Because in truth, by forgiving others and wishing them good things, the goodness will eventually return to ourselves. At around 80, half 30, thanks God, the Eid al-Fitr prayer in congregation was completed. Along with the end of the Eid prayer, continued halal bil halal activities for giving each other among fellow worshippers. While walking home, my family and I also took the time to visit the house for a while to stay in touch. Not left behind, the words Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum, Taqabbal ya Karim, continue to echo at every meeting. When I got home, I apologized to my mother, my father, and sister for all the mistakes. We took turns to apologize to each other. After that, my family and I immediately prepared to visit my grandmother's house. But at the same time, I'm too sad because my father cannot come into our house because my father works in another country, not in Indonesia. But I also feel near with him because I always do some video call with him. I really miss my father so much. From 2020, he's not come to home. I know my mother and my little sister is sad too, but yeah, WhatsApp can make us feel better and feel so deep. Okay, that's my story with my family in carrying out 8 prayers in congregation at the mosque. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.